Why did you quit your last job? This question can be a turning point in an interview. Answer it wrong, and your chances of landing that job might be gone. But answer it right, and you can turn it into an opportunity to shine. Hey everyone, I'm Kritika, and today we're going to dive into one of the most dreaded interview questions. Why did you quit your last job? Whether you were fired, laid off, took a career break, or left on your own terms, answering this question can be tricky. But don't worry. We'll break down 4 scenarios and give you practical strategies and examples to turn this question into an opportunity to impress. Before we dive into the scenarios, let's try and understand what hiring managers are looking for when they ask this question. There are 3 things that they're majorly looking for. Number 1. Were you fired? This can be a red flag, but how you frame your response to this question can turn it around. If they know that you were fired, it could impact their perception of your reliability. But you can counter this by focusing on what you have learned and how you have grown since then. Number 2. Is your reason for leaving relevant to their company? If you left for reasons like work culture, salary, role alignment, or a bad manager, hiring managers want to ensure that they can provide to you what your previous employers couldn't. They'll be assessing if their values and culture align with your expectations. Number 3. What do you value in a job and what are your aspirations? If you left for better career growth opportunities and you mention that to them, they'll know that that's your priority. It'll signal to them that their role must offer progression opportunities. Otherwise, they may worry that you leave again soon. Basically, they want to know if you are a good fit for their team and if you're going to stick around. Before you answer the dreaded why did you quit your last job interview question, here are some points that you should keep in mind. Always prepare your answer in advance. Tailor it to the company that you're interviewing with and practice it beforehand so that it sounds natural. Keep it positive. Even if your last experience wasn't great, focus on what you have learned and what you're looking forward to next. Be honest, but brief. You don't need to go into the nitty-gritty details of why you left. A short, truthful answer is better than a long, winded one. Avoid bad-mouthing your previous employer. It never reflects well on you. And last, highlight growth. Mention how your decision to leave was in line with your professional development. Let's now dive into the different scenarios that you might find yourself in and how to answer them. Let's say you were fired. This is tough, but it's not a deal breaker if you know how to frame it correctly. The key is to show that you've learned from your experience and are now ready to move forward. I was let go because of a difference in priorities between myself and the company. While it was a tough experience, it gave me the opportunity to reflect on what I really want from my next role. Better alignment in values, and a chance to grow in areas that matter to me. This response shows that you've gained clarity on your professional values and priorities, reassuring the hiring manager that you're now looking for a role with stronger alignment, which minimizes the risk for future mismatches. Basically, you have to emphasize growth and self-reflection. Mention skills or experiences that you gained after being let go and tie them to the new role that you are applying for. Now let's talk about a scenario in which you were laid off. Layoffs happen and they're rarely a reflection of your performance. Focus on the circumstances and explain what you learned. The company I was with faced significant budget cuts and unfortunately, my department was downsized. It was a tough situation, but it allowed me to rethink my career path and target companies that are more aligned with my long-term goals like yours. By focusing on the circumstances of the budget cuts and explaining how you've refocused your career path, this also positions you as someone who's resilient and forward-thinking. Due to a merger, my team was restructured and my role was eliminated. While it was unexpected, it's given me the opportunity to look for roles where I can make a more meaningful impact in areas like X, which I'm excited to explore in this position. This answer reframes the unexpected job loss as a proactive opportunity for finding a role where you can create more impact. All in all, focus on the external circumstances and express excitement for the new opportunities. Now let's talk about a scenario in which you took a career break. Taking a career break can be a powerful career move, especially if it's used productively. Here's how you can answer in that scenario. I took some time off to focus on family, specifically during my maternity or paternity leave. This time was invaluable, and now I feel refreshed and more motivated than ever to re enter the workforce and apply my skills. I've also kept up with industry trends to ensure that I stay current. With this answer, you're demonstrating that you can manage your personal responsibilities with professional growth. You can also answer this question in this manner. I took a sabbatical to pursue personal growth and volunteer work. During this time, I developed new skills in project management while leading initiatives at a local nonprofit. This experience broadened my perspective and enhanced my ability to work with diverse teams. I am now eager to apply these enriched skills and fresh insights to a professional setting. This answer positions you as someone who shows initiative, has a commitment towards personal development, and can transfer skills from one context to another. Highlight how this break made you stronger or more skilled. Employers appreciate candidates who use their time wisely. In our last scenario for today, let's pretend that you quit your job. Quitting can be a little tricky, but it's important to stay positive and forward looking. If I were you, here's how I would answer this question. I left my last job because I felt like I had reached a ceiling in terms of growth. I'm looking for a company where I can continue to challenge myself and grow, which is why I am so excited about this opportunity. You framed your departure as a desire for personal and professional growth, which signals to the interviewer that you are eager to continue that growth in a new dynamic environment. Another way to answer this question could be, after several years with the company, I realized that my career goals had shifted and I wanted to find a role that better aligned with those new aspirations, especially in a company that values innovation like yours. This response may sound like someone who is self-aware and focuses on long-term career development. Now that we have discussed how you can tackle these different scenarios and answer in each one of them, I'm going to share with you a list of tools that can help you prepare for the D-Day, your interview. First up, let's talk about Pivot. Pivot is a tool that not only offers interview question banks based on job descriptions, but also allows you to connect one-on-one with industry experts for tailored coaching. You can also find free resume, cover letter, and cold message templates that can help you approach hiring managers for your next role. If you're looking to make a stress-free career transition, you can explore the Career Planner, which can help make your transition a smooth and structured experience. Another tool is Ramp. Ramp is a free platform where you can practice mock interviews with peers or professionals. Real-time feedback helps you polish your answers and build confidence. Big Interview offers a mix of video lessons and mock interview practices. It's perfect for behavioral questions and helps you refine both what you say and how you say it. You can also use ChatGPT for preparing for your interview. AI can serve as a personal interview coach. Use it to generate tailored answers based on specific roles and companies, and even anticipate follow-up questions. The last tool is Clearbit Connect. This tool helps you research companies, pulling in key data points to tailor your responses to their priorities. If you're planning to use AI tools like ChatGPT, here are a few prompts that you could try while personalizing your answer for this question. I left my last job due to insert reason here. Can you help me come up with a concise and positive answer for a project management role? Here's another prompt that you can try. Generate a list of follow-up questions an interviewer might ask after I explain why I was laid off and suggest strong responses for each. Another prompt that you could try is, based on the job description for company name, how can I frame my answer to why did you leave your last job in a way that aligns with their values? I hope what we discussed here today can help you land your next role. Remember, it's not just about why you left. It's about how you frame it to show growth, self-awareness, and excitement for the new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real career talk. Go get that job. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.